Dahua R1 sports camera. Equipped with a 108p HD camera with an f2.0 aperture, 123 super wide angle, providing a broad view and clear imaging. HD or strong light suppression, capable of capturing important details, such as license plates and road signs even in dim environments. Built-in rechargeable battery for easy and convenient use. IP65 waterproof rating. No fear of riding in rainy weather. Download the DH-CAM app on your phone. Wi-Fi connectivity allows for real-time downloading and viewing. Real-time monitoring, loop recording, easily share travel highlights. Suitable for electric bikes, bicycles, and motorcycles. Equipped with two installation methods, can be mounted on the handlebar or rearview mirror. Easy to install and remove, reducing the risk of theft. Dahua R1 sports camera, making driving safer.